Hello, my dear brothers and sisters. My name is Awaista Anwar, and today we will be learning about the names and uses of the geometry tools in English mathematics. So let's start. So the first instrument we've got is the ruler or scale. It is used to construct straight lines and measure lengths of a line segment. It has a straight edge originally used for drawing straight lines. Secondly, we've got set squares. Set squares in the shape of right-angled isosceles triangles are more than just a common tool in geometry. They are also frequently used in the field of technical drawing. There are two main types of set squares. One has an angle of 55 degree and the other has the 60-degree angle. Protractor. A protractor is a measuring instrument typically made of transparent plastic or glass for measuring angles. Some protractors are simple half discs or full circles. More advanced protractors, such as the bevel protractor, have one or two swinging arms, which can be used to help measure the angle. Compass. A compass is a technical drawing instrument that can be used for drawing circles or arcs. Apart from that, drawing compasses are used in navigation, mathematics, drafting, and many other disciplines. Dividers. Dividers are one of the earliest and most basic types of mathematical instruments. In their simplest form, dividers consist of a joined pair of legs, each with a sharp point as dividers. They can also be used as a tool to step out distances, in particular on maps. Pencil. This may be very similar to you. A pencil is an instrument for writing or drawing consisting of a thin stick of graphite or a similar substance enclosed in a long thin piece of wood or fixed in a cylindrical case. Eraser. An eraser is a tool used to erase a mistake made by a pencil while writing or drawing. Pencil sharpener. A pencil sharpener is a tool for sharpening up the pencil's writing point. So that's it for today's lesson, everybody. I hope you learned something new today. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Computer Education Pakistan. Like this video and also make sure to share it with your friends and family. Bye. See you in the next video.